Okay, so a couple of tips and tricks for setting up your home classroom. If you are using Google Meet, make sure you're in a well-lit environment. Sometimes if there's a lot of noise around, you can use headphones, and you'll just need to adjust those in the audio setting, which is in the three dots here, and settings. And so you can just choose to get your sound to go to those headphones, and just be aware of things that you might be using while you're on a video call. So that might be all right. That not so much. Also, just be aware of other things going on in your house at the moment. Like there might be some distractions around you that you want to keep out of your classroom. And maybe also appropriate things to wear when you're in front of your class. Yeah, so lighting is important. Somewhere not too bright behind you, or too dark in general. So better, but maybe a light on in front. Just be mindful of what you've got in your space that you're being recorded. You may not want to share some stuff with students, but always good to include a little bit of who you are, so to share with the students. No, not here. And maybe if you're struggling with a whiteboard, then an old fridge will do just the trick if you haven't got one at your home, or sharing some science experiments.